When your heart glitches, like your phone. When your phone glitches, it freezes, lags, or suddenly shuts down. Your heart can glitch too. That flutter, that skip, that sudden racing sensation, that's arrhythmia. Arrhythmia happens when your heart's electrical signals misfire. Just like faulty wiring in a device, your heart beats too fast, too slow, or completely out of rhythm. When your rhythm glitches, blood flow drops. You feel dizzy, breathless, weak, and in severe cases, you may even collapse. A glitch you can't ignore. The good news: early screening can detect arrhythmias. Before they become dangerous, get your rhythm checked with us.